Hello friends and welcome back. If you are new around here, my name is Candace. I am the owner and creator here at Marquee Soaps, and we are in the middle of doing a series 30 videos and 30 days. Today is day 21 and we are going to package some orders. So I am going to put in the description box below all the sizes of the boxes that I used today, along with where I purchased them at. So I start every order. Every order gets tissue paper. So this one we have 2 of the Melt and Pour succulent planters. We have an Emerald Agave cold processed soap. We have 2 of the succulent cold processed soaps. We have an Island Fruit Basket bath truffle and a bombshell type bath truffle. So we have 8 items, 2, 4, 6, 7. Oh, and we also have a Mermaid Kisses whip soap. So with my whip soaps, what I do is, this is shipping to a warmer state. And I don't want the whip soap to melt or get damaged in shipping due to heat. So I'm wrapping this special Eco Cool, I'm not sure what exactly it's called, I can't remember, but it's also in the description box below. This helps to keep the product from getting hot. So it's not as pretty, but it is arriving safer. So let me throw some crinkle paper on here. We have a couple of soap samples, and we're going to wrap up. We have an orange patchouli cold processed soap. A rose petal whipped body soap, which I need to grab some boxes. So this is the 4x4x4 from Uline. We're going to wrap this in our heat shield bubble wrap. And these boxes go in a 13 by 10 mailer. Next, we have a lavender whipped soap, and it's also going to California, so we will get our heat protectant bubble wrap. So I just released my Dreaming of Summer products today. Those orders are not in this video just because I will ship those out tomorrow. But I did upload my first video. So when I say tomorrow, today is Sunday, March 7th. You're seeing this on Monday. But today, on March 7th, I uploaded my first soap for the April release, which is all about succulents. So if you like succulents and haven't checked that out, it's up. And then this week, I will be making my embeds for my May soaps and start making those this weekend. And those are all Harry Potter soaps, which I'm not sure if I'll be able to get any new twists on Harry Potter soaps because I know that they've been done before, but I like Harry Potter and I am super excited to be making them finally. So those will be fun. So these are going, I think I already said, well no I haven't, these ones are going to Nevada. And in this box, it's hard to get these. They don't fit as well with this around it, but they fit perfectly fine by themselves. So I'm just gonna wrap them all like this. Just kind of fold those in there like that. Wrap them up. And then I think I will do one more until I just speed it up and whip through the rest of them for you. We still have a few to go tonight. This next one is for 4 of the whipped soaps. Actually, I think I'm just gonna speed it up now because I have a couple whipped soap orders and then we have some different products to wrap up. I mean, you've already seen me do the whipped soaps, so that's nothing new. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video today. If you have any questions about products or packaging, you can leave them down below. And enjoy the rest of this video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.